Hi there, this is the Excel and Google Sheets video tutorial on how to use my bakery business template bundle. So whether you have a cake business, cupcake business, cookie company, this spreadsheet will work for you to take orders, manage your inventory, calculate your pricing, that sort of thing. So let's get started. So here at the bottom, you've got your README. So this is your instructions. When I'm done, you'll have the link to the YouTube video here. We're going to click on the order log first. And so we're going to this is going to be blank in a little bit, but just to show you how it works, we're going to say the order date was April 10th, customer name, address, email, phone, what are they ordering, and just typing this in as we go. So whatever the flavor is, if there's a filling, if not, you could just put NA, icing, Gwen. So this would be the price per cupcake. Let's say it's $2. No, let's say we'll sell it for $5 a piece. Quantity, say they're going to buy 20. You're going to charge a delivery fee, say of $20. So this is going to be the total amount charged, amount received. So say you received payment. And then we're going to keep track of the event date. So say the event is May 1st, the location, place, address, the delivery time, and the number of guests. Check or uncheck whether or not you received payment. If this is the Excel version, this won't be here. It'll just be blank, and then you'll just have an X you can put there. So that's how I do the Excel part. Okay. Then this will keep up with your total number of sales. This will count everything. Once you have an order date, it'll count this up. So once we delete it, you'll have less sales. And then your revenue is going to be counted by everything in the total section. All right, so down to price list. This is another price list. You can print this out. Again, file print. Everything's on there working this time. And then, you can, if you don't like any of this stuff, you can just highlight it all and hit the delete button. And we're starting from scratch. So chocolate cupcake. And then cupcake with chocolate frosting and raspberry filling. And then price $2 each. So that way you can bring this to your customers and then show them your price list, print it out. You've got a bookkeeping dashboard here. So this will keep track of everything for your business for the entire year. We can change that to 2024. And then, so this will calculate, so everything, like it'll tell your total annual income, your total expenses, calculating everything, income per month. You can see the bar, it shows you the income, expenses, it'll show your expenses per month. And that's based on everything from the income and expenses sheet. So say we put in, let's see what is not on here, February. So if we do 2 of 2024, we do cupcake, income, got chocolate, cupcake for Betty Smith. We made $105, we spent $5, and then we spent $5 in tax. So that your net profit is here, your annual total is here. For all your income, everything for your expenses is here, all your taxes is here, and your net profit's there. If you want to make notes for 5-1, whatever notes you want to make. This month thing needs to stay here. It will automatically calculate. That needs to stay there so that it can keep up with here. So it shows in February you did the income of 105, your expenses, and your tax net profit. Now you can give that to your tax accountant. Let's see, inventory. So this is the total number of items in your inventory. This is everything that's calculated from here, the number, and then total value, everything is going to be calculated here. So if we want to put in your category, ingredients, cake topper, boxes, tools. So say this is flour, let's say sugar. 5-pound bag of sugar, you've got 2 of them. Cost you $3.50 each, so 7. If you wanted to change your category, you just hit this edit button. Add another item. You could do done. And then, yes, you want to apply this to all, so that way all of it's going to show now spoons. If this is the Excel spreadsheet version, you're going to have to change it in the data validation section. Okay, recipe calculator. This will calculate how much it is going to cost you and how much you can sell your item for. So say this is for chocolate cake. Ingredients, flour. You want to calculate what is the full package amount of your flour. So how many cups are in your 5-pound bag of flour. So you calculate that and say there's 35 cups. The bag costs you $4.50 and you need 3 cups of flour for your recipe. So that's 39 cents. It's going to add everything up here and give you a total here. If you happen not to need anything, if you don't need salt for this, just hit the delete key, total package cost. Okay, so now this says there's an error. So this number always needs to be a 1. So if you do need to make changes, keep that 1 there so that it won't mess up your formula, just anything there. And then your total cost will be here. Then you can say, well, how much, do I want to charge per hour? Say I want to make $15 an hour. I worked, 30 minutes on planning, preparation, a little bit. Let's see, baking time. Let's see, I did 0 because I'm not going to make anything on that. Let's do decorating. That's 15 minutes. Took me an hour. And then other, whatever you want to do. And then packaging, you would just manually put that in here. So say your packaging cost you $10. Delivery fees, say it was 6 miles. You want to charge 65 cents a mile. It'll do your cost there. And then, so this will add up everything for you. So this is being pulled. So this has got formula, so don't mess with that. And then your grand total is going to be here. That's how much it's costing you to make this big chocolate cake. And so then you are going to charge, say, $150. Then you're going to make 67% profit. You're going to net $100. It's going to cost you $49 to make it. And then you're going to sell it for $150. And then here's some conversions, a conversion chart for you to help you know how many cups are in certain things and things like that. So, this conversion chart is printable. Your price list is printable. Order forms are printable. Everything else may not be as printable. So, you can use this in Excel and you can use this in Google Sheets. So, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My website is savvyandthriving.com, or you can find me on Etsy. Thanks, and y'all have a good day.